Perfume Empties. I used the Kopari. I hope that's the correct name. It is the hair and body mist. Kopari. This grew on me. When I first got it and I sprayed it, I was like, oof, didn't jive with my nose. But as time went by, it just kept getting better and better and better. Will I repurchase another one? Yes. Not now. I have a lot of paper ones right now. This mister on this is one of the best misters I've come across. It's empty now, but the mister sprays so nice. I'm thinking of putting water in it and just spray it on my face for the summertime. That's how good this mister is. This is the pink guava and is Kopari hair and body mist. It's empty. I truly enjoyed it. My next one is the 7 Virtues. This one is called Cherry Ambition and it is the 7 Virtues. This smells really good. It's empty. I used it. I even tried to open this little thing to see if I can get a little bit in there, but to no avail. But this smells really good. The next one I have is Idole by Lancôme. This said Idole La Perfume by Lancôme. I tried it. I liked it. As you can see, it's done. Next perfume is Kate Spade New York. This one. Right here. I wasn't too crazy about this one, but I used it up. To me, it didn't last long. I'd put it on, I wouldn't smell it later on. So for that, I am saying I wouldn't purchase that if I had to purchase a full bottle. But the 7 Virtues, if I was able to purchase a full bottle, I would get this one. In my paper, I love my paper perfume. I use the Jimmy Choo, and it is these two, one side for each. This smells good. This smells good. They'll take your money, I'm telling you. They'll take your money. And then I tried this one. It's called New Time. Whatever the name is, here it is. Smells good. Libre, I use both sides. One for man, one for woman. Both smell good. The next one, oh my God, it gave half cut, but I tried it. It is the Mont Blanc Legend. When I tell you, this smells good, it smells good. And the other side is the Mont Blanc Happy Holidays. So I use both sides. My next perfume item is this body lotion by Coach, and it is the Coach Love. I still have the full-size perfume. I have a 3.4, and I'm still using that. But this lotion is done. It is not as strong, but it's very subtle, and you know you have it on. Very, very nice. If you don't like strong smell, Coach Love is the thing for you. My last perfume is Crystal Bright by Versace. It's done. The bottle is cute. See how cute this is? It's a cute bottle. And see the top? I mean, this is cute. This is cute. I like it. This is not very, very strong, but I loved it. I enjoyed it. And just for the bottle on your vanity is just cute. You know what I mean? Very cute. So thank you all again for watching. This is all my perfume empties for now. Please hype this video, share it with someone else. And as always, please know that you are important. You need to know for yourself that you are important. And put one foot in front of the other and do what you gotta do to get your life in order. I love you always, and I will see you again soon. And these perfumes, if you want to try them, try the sample size and see if your nose loves it before you purchase the full size. Bye.